Alright you guys, this went a lot smoother than I expected it to go. Now we have to wait until the wood glue is drying up completely, and then we can spool the drums with this blue water line. After that we will load the drums onto this freight car and then we will be done. So let's go. Alright you guys, the wood glue is somewhat dry on this drum, but I've come across a major problem. I tried to spool up my water line and those cross members right here are way too fragile. They keep coming loose and it's not possible to spool up the water line. So I have to fix it, and I have a solution in mind, and it has to do with those spray can caps.